to VBS. Let's start with our motto. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jesus, our strong foundation.
Bye.
Now, let's recite our theme verse. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I am sure of this, that he who started a good work in you will carry it on to completion until the day of Jesus Christ. Philippians chapter 1, verse 6.
Yay! Good job! Hi guys, I'm Kayla and welcome back to Bulls Over Crafts. This is my friend. Say hi.
Hi. I'm
That's
a fan.
David.
What?
Do you have something to say?
No.
No?
I don't have nothing.
Okay.
I have no items to eat.
Okay. This week's Bible story, we learned that the wise builder is the builder who loved and obeyed God. So today we're going to build the wise builder photo frame to remind us that Jesus' love is the foundation for the rest of our lives. Let's start. So in order to make our wise builder photo frame, we're going to need all the stuff that you got in the package, which are these foam thingies. And you're gonna need a photo to put on the frame and some tape.
You made it hard, so please do not rip it.
We worked hard on packaging it, so the first step is to take our green foam part, and we're gonna take our brown foam part, the one that looks like a house, and put the roof on it. So you're gonna peel it off.
This is the hard one.
This is hard? Okay, so be careful.
You said this is hard.
This is hard?
You said it!
No, I didn't. When did I say that?
Remember when we packaged it?
Packaging was a little bit hard. So make sure the points align, so like this. You can always take it off and do it again.
Yeah.
Like that. You can always do it again. But yeah, just make sure you put the roof on. Do you need help? Yeah? Okay.
I'm not actually.
You could always ask your parents for help if you need it. See? Just like that. Yay! Okay, so the next part is this gray foam part. We're gonna flip this over on the back.
Wait, this is a phone?
Foam!
Oh, hello? Hello, Pastor Isaac. Not a phone.
Okay, you're gonna flip it over, and then you're gonna peel up the white part.
Rip this part out.
And put it on the bottom so that the little ruffly part is sticking out.
Wait, how do you? Like this?
that, yeah, perfect.
Yay! And turn it over.
Yeah, so that you can see the ruffles on the bottom. That's going to be the bottom of our house.
I'm a crow.
Next part, we're gonna do the fence.
This looks like a.
What? No!
It hurts so much!
It's foam, so it's safe.
Ow.
So these things sticking on the side. Ouch!
You said this is a phone. You said it's not even hurt.
Okay, so don't poke your friends with this side of the fences, but you're gonna put it right here. David, do you see what I did?
Okay.
Right there. I'm gonna do that.
Peel it off.
Like that, and you do that with
And
the
I
other
ripped
side.
this peeling thing like this, and I. Should we do this again? Or no?
Oh, and I also forgot to mention we need markers so that we can.
You should have tell us that.
I know, I'm sorry. So, we need markers.
And then
We need markers.
Then we should actually start it again, I think.
No, we're not
But
starting
no.
this video again.
Yeah, then.
Okay, so I got the fences. Do you have the fences?
Oh.
You can use whatever color you want. Our nice background people have gotten us markers. I'm gonna use brown, but you can use whatever color you want. And you're gonna make lines where the fences would be, like that.
Can I see?
Like that.
Okay.
Try to make them straight, but you can have curly fences if you really want to.
No.
No? Ooh, he has red fences. Okay. Now that we got our fences, we're gonna take these yellow things and split it in half so that we have two.
Is this a splitter?
And then we're gonna tape them to the sides of the house like so. So use the tape.
Wait, I have an idea. In the end.
And now we're gonna roll the tape so that it can be double-sided, like that.
Wait,
Put it on this. What?
there's no peeling.
Yeah, there's no peeling on this one. So you're gonna use tape. Oh, that's too much.
Sorry.
So you only need like this much, okay?
So where do I put it?
You're gonna roll it. Do you know how to roll it?
No.
You don't know how to roll it?
With this?
David, like this. You make a circle and you roll it like that.
Oh.
Like that. And you're gonna put it on the yellow so that it can stick.
It's not working.
Do you need help? You can always ask your parents to do this, by the way.
You know what? It doesn't work, so I'm gonna put it in.
Oh, that's smart. That's totally what you're supposed to do. Okay.
So I shouldn't do this because it's dirty. And can you please?
We're not gonna use this because it has a lot of fingerprints on it. I'm gonna use brand new ones, and you're just gonna roll it like that. Okay, I rolled the tape for you. Now you have to put it on the side, okay?
Where?
On the side, like this.
Oh, it's like a TV. But now, TV show.
Like that.
So today's working. Today's the day of the TV.
What are you saying?
The TV day, the TV day. Can you help me?
Yes.
All of this. This project is for you. Just kidding.
No. It's for everyone that's watching this, and for you too.
I don't know. Then how could I do it?
Okay, I got it. Here, now you have to put it on the side.
Ow.
Don't do that.
Ow. I didn't do it by purpose. I did this actually on purpose. I'm sorry. Wait. No.
What happened? You dropped it?
This tape is me. Yeah. Such a mean boy.
Okay, so now your house should look like this with these window things on the side. And the last part is to actually put your photo in.
Look. This Pastor Isaac. You see this? This Pastor
I have Pastor Isaac too, look. Alright, so we're gonna do this.
On my thing, it can't fit everybody.
Oh, really?
So,
Okay, wait. To put the photo in, you have to flip it over so that the back is there.
Oh.
Can you do that? Okay, now you're gonna take your photo like this, and you're gonna put this like that so that it fits. And just to make sure you hold it up, see if it fits. It fits everyone.
I don't.
So to make sure that it fits, check. And then now we're gonna tape it like that.
It should be a small photo. Actually, it
Make
fits
sure the
everyone.
photo's large enough so that you can put it there.
Actually, it fits everyone.
It does? That's
Yeah.
good.
So I need tape.
Here.
Good boy.
Does it fit?
It's good.
Okay.
I just need a lid too.
Good.
The hard part. Yes.
Perfect.
2 more tapes.
Okay, and the last part of this craft is to get our magnet stickers. Do you have your magnet sticker?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
It's right here. It's underneath.
Oh.
Okay, you're gonna get
I
your
just have
magnet
one.
sticker. and peel off the backing.
I'll never let this. Yeah. Ow. I broke my finger by myself. I killed my temple.
Huh? Okay, ready? The last part, you have to put the magnet sticker on the back like that so that you can put it on your refrigerator or any magnetic surface. And now you have a photo frame. Also, if you want, you could write something on the bottom, like a caption. I'm gonna write, what should we write? What should I write, David?
Pastor Isaac is the best or something.
Okay, I'll write that. Pastor Isaac is the best. See?
Love it. Okay.
He's the best. Yay! What are you gonna write?
Me too.
You gonna write that too?
Yeah, because I made that.
Alright, write it a little bit small so that it could fit. I think all of the pastors, all the people in this photo are the best. Because they helped us make this VBS become available to everyone.
Wait.
You know? They work so hard.
Wait. This is how it's
Here.
spelled.
I'll help you. That's how you spell it. Oh, it's smudged on the table.
I'm wrong. I have a way. I'm ready to be.
Yeah, I told you to write it small. You finished?
Yes.
Wow, look at our photo frame. Show the camera.
Wait.
Show everyone.
Yay! Yeah. 안 돼. 이럴 수가.
Wow.
I worked so hard.
Yeah,
And
we did
what
it.
is this? I got Sharpie on my hands. I like it.
It's okay, just wash your hands. It'll go away. Yay, we did it.
I'm gonna like it.
Guys, we finished our Wise Builder photo frame. I think it turned out really nice. But this photo frame is supposed to remind us that we should always try to be the wise builder that listens to God, and how God is our foundation forever and ever. Where'd you go? He's gone now, but
Yeah.
make sure you take a picture. Shh, you're gone. Make sure you take a picture of your finished product. We'd love to see it. And thank you for everyone else who's been constantly sending us pictures. It's really nice. And we'll miss you and try to enjoy the rest of VBS. Me and David will miss you a lot. Go back. Say bye for the last time. He's taking his time. Bye.
Bye.